Oh yeah, before I forget, doggone, we added something to these meetups. I'm gonna tell you. So let me see. It was me, Scott LaRock, Will Bennett, Jose for playing outside after 50. My man C-Loke, Corey. Who else was out there? It seemed like it was more people out there than that. My man Heath. I'm missing somebody. That's why I hate naming people, because I'm missing some doggone body. But that's okay. Blame it on my head, not my heart. But yeah, listen. You know how you be sitting around the campfire chilling or whatever it is. I don't know. Somebody looked at me and dared. It seemed like a dare. I don't know how it came up, to be honest. But they was like, hey, let's go to the Waffle House. I said, shoot. You ain't saying nothing but a word, bro. And I got up and started going to change clothes or whatever. And we ended up at the Waffle House last night, and that was amazing. And I heard somebody say, hey man, we're gonna find a Waffle House every time we go somewhere. That might be a thing. But I tell you what, I'm not gonna fight going to the Waffle House at all. The Waffle House is a hit for me. I'll go. We went in there 2 times yesterday. We didn't plan on that, but we did go for breakfast. And then when it came up last night, we went back again for breakfast. Man, it was awesome. So I don't know, you might be seeing that going forward. We got to just hit these Waffle Houses when we go into these towns. So we shall see. Y'all tighten up. Actually, hey, Tony Capone, I'll come talk to you, bro. Y'all know what it is. You know what it is. It's the island wide. Y'all know what it is. Tony, what's happening, man?
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Wiping her down.
Wiping her down.
Wash her yet.
Yeah, you just still wiping her down. Tony, you taking this? Oh, yeah, I was about to ask a dumbass question.
Am I taking the golf cart?
Are you taking the golf cart down there, Tony? Okay, yeah. I'm sorry, man. I shouldn't even ask you that. I know better. But yeah, I just came over here to see how you was doing. How's the Camping Connect going for you so far?
Going great.
All right, I know you can say, look, the reason why I asked Tony, and here's, I always preface some stuff with Tony too. I be like, Tony, don't BS me, man. You better tell me, I know we chilling and shit, but don't BS me, man. Cause Tony goes to about 5 or 10 of these things a year. So if anybody can tell you whether an event is whack or it's okay or it's great, would be the doggone Santiago's, because they go to every damn one they can get on the calendar. So again, with that being known, Tony, how's it going so far? It is just day 2, but we've been here for about 3-4 days.
Yeah, it's going good, man. We're enjoying ourselves, having a good time, and looking forward to Saturday.
Well, I tell you what, Island-wide Tony Capone gonna be on the wheels of steel on Saturday, and if he say it's going good, it's going good, because if it won't, he would tell me that too. Now y'all go ahead on and tighten up. All right, guys, go ahead and tighten up. It's your man Big Sarge right here. I just want to tell you, Tony came out with this chicken that he didn't want to give me, but I was good for. Chicken is good. It ain't no shelf life on chicken, T.
I'm just saying where it was.
You cooked the chicken yesterday. You try to tell me it wasn't good. That's crazy.
I didn't say it wasn't good.
I'm just a country boy. I'm good to go with this chicken right here. We got the little Heinekens out here. You know, we sitting out at Tony's site, and we got my man A Boogie. Yo, Adrian.
Yo, Adrian.
Yo, Adrian. Go ahead and tell them about your channel, A. They know it, but just do it anyway.
With Adrian, Ruth. And
I'm sorry, I ain't trying to mess you up, and I'm not gonna take this out of the video. I always mess that up. I don't know whether Ruth's name come first.
You know why?
Because when I'm trying to tag y'all, I always will put the wrong thing in and won't nothing come up, and then I go the other way and then it pops up.
Yep. You know why? Because Ruth is loud and you remember her more than me. Because she's loud.
So it's Adrian and Ruth.
And she's wearing the right shirt today.
And she has the right shit on today. And she's just funny. Ruth is hilarious, though. Just some people are just naturally funny. And Ruth, just her personality and the way she does things, for me, is just naturally funny. So the reason why I put A on camera, right? This really don't have nothing to do with the Camping Connect, but this is a perfect opportunity, A, to talk about your event, which I thoroughly damn enjoyed. Thank you for the invitation. Yeah. I told you that I didn't know if I was gonna make it, but we made it. We made it. We had to make it. That was the last one before we left Savannah, and we made it. But You got another one coming up this year, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna let you talk a little bit about it. I know you guys still in the planning stages,
but we got it dialed in, and it's the last week of August.
Okay.
That weekend, and it's gonna be at, man, I forget
Safari.
the name.
The Safari is
It's a safari place, but it's called it's about Delta Safari
Campground.
It's by Wild Adventure.
Well, there you go.
It's Wild Adventure, and then it's the campground right beside it. Yep, Safari
so the
Campground.
Campground is right on there, and there's the water park. There's the amusement park.
Yeah.
We did a video. If you want to see what it's like before you go check it out.
Okay.
And then it's going to be obviously a safari theme. Last year was carnival theme, and we had fun.
I gotta get a loincloth or something, T. You gonna wear a loincloth, bro? Tarzan and Jane, Tony and Jane.
There you go.
That would be perfect. I just see.
Yep.
Man, I gotta start charging motherfuckers for what I be doing. I gotta start charging people. Good boy. That just came out too, T. No thought, no nothing. Tarzan and Tony and Jane. Y'all gotta wear loincloths, or either you gotta do the Fred and Wilma from the Flintstones.
There you go.
I think that's what me and Tasha might do. That's my idea. Come like the Flintstones.
There you go.
But I really enjoyed your event last year, A. I really enjoyed the games. I really enjoyed, because even when everybody has stopped being weird bit, I think you too, T. We went over there. We were playing the balloon game.
Yep.
I really enjoyed that event, man, and I really appreciate y'all's creativity, because Wild Adventure has been a place that I have legitimately been trying to go to for the last 6 years.
It's nice.
And this is going to give me the opportunity to check that box and connect with y'all down there to do that. So I'm looking forward to it.
So the whole reason we do these campovers is not about us, it's about you guys. It's about like this right here. We're all connecting, and they're Camp and Connect, so make sure if you guys don't know, you should know, and come to the next one. But it's all about you guys, the viewers, the people that support us, the family that we've grown, and we just go and have a good time and just say thank you. So this time it's going to be a whole amusement park. So
that's amazing. I got to keep this short because this video going to be too damn long anyway. But I just wanted to put A on there, let him know how much we appreciate him and his platform. He's also doing a doggone seminar here at the Camp and Connect to help us influencers grow our channels or fix our channels and talk about what we need to do. And I'm going to be in there looking at that. But A is very important to Suckafree RV and the Gravely Train and doggone Allen Wide Productions that sit right here. Yep. And I just wanted to put you on here, man, and just, I'm looking forward to that event. And I wanted to say, I did do a video at your last event, but I don't know if I put in there, because I was recording it as it was going on.
Yep.
But I thoroughly enjoyed that last campover, man. That carnival thing and being able to play those carnival games. And I really like that damn Plinko.
Yep.
That Plinko.
Here comes Plinko chip number 4. Kelly is over there in that $10,000 area again. She got it. $10,000.
That was fun making that Plinko board.
That Plinko, man, that Plinko and my favorite little dart to the balloon. Yep. That's just.
How about the dunk tank?
Yeah, dunk tank.
Yeah, so I didn't get there late, but I saw people get in the dunk tank, but I didn't put nobody down in the dunk tank because I ain't want nobody to try to tell me to get my ass in there, and I was gonna be like, hell to the no, I'm not getting in there. But I just had a great time there, man. And then whoever came up with this idea between you and Ruth, I don't care because y'all are a team, but that's just amazing. And I'm looking forward to Wild Adventure because Tasha loves amusement parks. She will ride anything.
Yeah, they got some good stuff there too.
So we should have went, because I told T, and all this ain't gonna make it in my video, but I told T Valdosta is where we bought our camper.
Yep.
So that's the last time I've been to Valdosta was So April of 2021, when I went to Moody Air Force Base to buy that camper right there, is the last time I've been to Valdosta. And we have been trying to get back to Wild Adventure ever since. And y'all gonna give us the opportunity to do that. So stay tuned to RV Life with Adrian and Ruth. Finally got it right.
Yep.
Stay tuned to Suckafree RV. We're gonna make sure we post it, and as soon as they put out stuff, we'll share it and all those type things. So
keep an eye out.
Keep an eye out.
And if you guys want, just go look on Facebook, RV Life with Adrian and Ruth, the group, and boom, right there, all the info will be there.
Boom. You got anything to say, T? Tighten up.
Set your